What's going on, y'all? James. I'll give it a minute or two. I'll give it a minute or two, see if we get anybody to join. Admins, this is not to promote me and my business. I'll give it a minute. We'll see if anybody joins. I'll give everybody a few guesses. Hey, Miss Victoria, how are you? Thank you for coming to see me, but this is not a promotion for me and my food truck. Disclaimer, this is not. I just pulled up here, and I'm also out supporting another local food truck. So let's take some guesses. Where do y'all think I'm at? Go ahead and comment so when you come in here, we could do this thing together. Let's do a live thing. So, since last week, I did a challenge. I put it out there. I said, hey, is there any other business owners that's willing to go live and show that you go and support other places in support of other places? And I realize all businesses are struggling. And all the big businesses that employ our local people and the locals are struggling. So a lot of people, I go out to eat, and I'm not, like I said, I'm not doing this for self-promotion for my business. I'm doing this to help promote them. Not that they need it, they're already good, but where do you guys think I'm at? So go ahead and comment. What up, Chris? What up, big dog? Big shout out to the rock man, Chris Gray at Gray's Granite. If y'all don't know Chris Gray, he's the owner of Gray's Granite, best granite business in all of Pensacola, has all the hottest, freshest rocks around. You guys know. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and give y'all another minute. Where do you think we are? I'll give you a hint. We're by the airport. And don't mind my hair. I need a haircut. My barber's not around. So, where do you think we're all at? Not we're all, but where do you think I'm at today? This is support another local small business. I heard it. I seen what do you call it today? I seen a meme. Seen a meme on Facebook today. I seen a meme on Facebook today that said support local takeout day, last day of the month. So can anybody guess where we're at today? I'll give you a hint. It's in the Spanish Latin community. We'll go see. So, well, since nobody wants to comment or anything, I'm going to go ahead and go up in order anyways. What up, Miss Vernique? Shout out to Emerald Republic, best brewery in town. Can anybody guess where we're at? Oh, look where we're at. There we are. I support food trucks. We're over here at Tippin. We're at Tacos El Migo. My mother-in-law, she already cooked dinner for her and the kids. So since somebody was able to look out for me pretty well today, I'm going to go ahead and I'm coming out and supporting local. I wish it was Sunday because I would love a bowl of freaking menudo. How you doing? Let me see, what should I get? What's y'all's favorite? I will in a second. Thank you. I would rather have a burrito. They don't have no. What do you guys think I should get? This is the for them. What should we get, guys? What should we get? I want a burrito, but they don't have no burritos. Everything is tacos. I like burritos, and I cannot lie. Stuffed with meat and tomato on the side. What should we get, guys? Come on. Come on, what should we get? What should we get? What should we get? I'm gonna ask him a question. Do you guys do burritos? No. No, only tacos?
Tacos, quesadillas, and sandwiches.
Man, I really want a burrito. I wonder if I gave them a tortilla, if they would just make me a burrito. Let's fool them. Let's mess with them. I want this. Because I'm also going to go up, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go get a pupusa. So, alright. He's out here. Out here raking leaves and it's still windy. You guys are still accepting cash though, right?
Cash, yeah.
Okay. I don't see no comments. How come there's no comments? Somebody say something. I can't believe there's no comments. Huh. Yeah, I'll order. Let me get 3 of the pork tacos.
Okay.
Actually, no. Make it 2 pork and 2 steak. And light on the cilantro.
Okay.
Please. So we're here at Tacos El Migo. And then I'm going to go next door and get a pupusa. Somebody make a comment so I know that this is actually working. I've already ordered. Go ahead. What up, Bubba? I know if anybody's going to say something, it's you. Say a comment so I know at least this video's doing okay. Because I don't see no comments. I'm coming over there next. Nope. This stinks. Chris, somebody say something so I know this live, because I'm not seeing no comments. And this sucks. Sucks I don't see no comments. I hate doing videos and not seeing any comments. I guess I'll start the video over. No? What up, Matthew? We're here at Tacos El Migo. Help supporting another local food truck. Helping support. I guess the comments aren't coming through. I'm sorry. What up, Mr. Frank? What's how much do I owe?
Oh.
Yeah, 4 total.
$10.
Excuse me?
10.
10? You got a tip jar?
Yeah, you want it to break this?
Nope. It's yours.
Okay.
See? This is how you guys pay it forward. Look. I got blessed with a good tip today, and I'm passing it on. Okay? So, people that have been supporting me have been sometimes a little bit too generous with tips, but I appreciate it very, very much, because I have a family to support just like everybody else's. And, gracias.
Yeah, man.
We got our tacos. We got our tacos. Now we're going to come over here to Pupusa Eli. For people that don't know, Pupusa Eli, they're El Salvadorian food. And my family in California, my aunt married a man from El Salvador. Sorry, I'm answering a text message. Anyways, my aunt married a man from El Salvador that, migrated over here when he was a young kid. I think actually about 8. And he's an Oakland, California police officer right now. And he retired from United Airlines of 30 years. Actually, I think 35 or something like that. But anyways, I know a lot about El Salvadorian food. And if you guys don't know, pupusas are very awesome. I really don't know how to explain it. All I know, it's a good food. It's good. So we came over here to Taco Amigos. We got 4 tacos. Now we're over here at pupusas. We're gonna get some El Salvadorian pupusas. I haven't had any since I left my uncle's house in San Francisco, and that's been almost 20 years. So we're gonna be getting a pupusa. So, how are you?
Good, thank you.
I'm gonna get how about just 2 of the traditional pupusas?
4 bean and cheese, okay?
2 of them, please.
Okay.
I'm gonna get 2 traditional pupusas. I see her in Sam's every day. Every day I see her at Sam's, and we talk and things like that. So we got 4 tacos from over there at Tacos El Migo, and we have 2 pupusas from Pupusa Eli. I need to go get more money. Let me go to try to get some more money real quick. Oh. Oh, sorry guys. I guess the comments are coming through a friend of mine. But whatever I spend, I'm matching the tip. Because people have been very generous to me and helping me out and helping support me. Also Thursday, I'm going to be doing well, I'll talk about that later, but we're here to support an El Salvadorian, Pupusa Eli, and then we have Tacos Amigo over there. I've already got my 4 tacos. They're over here. Now I'm going to get the 2 pupusas. And if you guys don't know what they are, you're missing out. They're really good. They're really good. You guys have never had a traditional El Salvadorian pupusa, then you don't know what you're missing. Change is yours.
Okay, thank you.
Not often when another food truck comes to another food truck, huh?
Yeah, I know.
See, I'm on a video on the foodie page, and I'm trying to show people that how we support other local food trucks.
That's good.
You know, we have, I don't know, like 30-something people in here.
That's good. Thank you.
So, you know, everybody got it. Not that big, you know. Anyways, you know.
Okay, the yours is coming. Ready?
So we're here at Pupusa Eli. Right there. There she is. Got really great food. I'm here getting me 2 pupusas, and I also have 4 tacos. So we actually supported both food trucks today because people have been supporting me and been very generous in supporting me. And I appreciate everybody. So I'm going to take this to my truck. I'm going to drop it off. We'll hang out a minute. She's leaving. For everybody that don't know where we're at, we're on Tippin Avenue. We're at Tacos El Migo and Pupusa Eli. Now I'm also, when I go get my pupusas, we're going to open them up and I'm going to give y'all a gander on the great food that we got from Tacos Amigo. And the pupusas will be up in a minute. So, nice. You get plenty of napkins. They look out for you like we all do. Oh man, that really looks good. Very good. Smells great. I asked him to go light on the cilantro. Good job going light on the cilantro. Looks really, really good to me, guys. Really good. I like how they cut their limes into wedges. The sauce, let's see. Oh, smells amazing. Really does. Really does. So, we'll give y'all a gander on what we got tonight. Can y'all see that? Alright, there we go. This is from Tacos El Migo. Over on Tippin. That's it. Tacos El Migo. So. I'm going to go ahead and get one. Go ahead and try it without the sauce first. So. Real good. Great taco, guys. Great taco. I like it. It's really good. Really good. We got 2 pork. We got 2 steak. And, and the fire sauce. There we go. A little bit of that. See, I always take the first bite without the sauce and without the lime, so I can get the full flavor of the actual meat. So now we got a little bit of lime, or a little bit of sauce, a little bit of lime. I'm gonna close that up. Now it's gonna change the flavor again. Sorry, guys. It takes me a minute because I have dentures. I don't want to look at you and eat. Sorry, it's the truth. Oh my God, that sauce is really good. Very good sauce. I like it. I like it. Really good. So good, I'm going to have to go ahead and give me a dip. I'm going to have to go ahead and give it a dip. Freaking great, man. That was awesome. Great job. Really good. Really good. I like it. Great job. Great job. That was real good. I can't wait to get home and taste the steak one. Really great. That was good. Good job. Now we're gonna go get the pupusas. Ooh, I love that sauce. Got a little kick on the end. Really good. Nice little spice kick on the end. After it goes down, it kind of lingers in your mouth. It gets you that little spicy, a little tang. Just enough heat where it lingers in your mouth. Really great sauce, man. Where's he at? Great job, guys. I love the hot sauce.
Thank you, man.
I love how it lingers on the back end. That's good. Good job. I ain't got you on video. It's on me.
All right.
You know the page called Pensacola Foodies? You know Linda Rojas?
Linda Rojas.
She used to own this truck. Chile Linda. Patricia. I'm sorry, Linda. I'm sorry, I was thinking of a different name. Patricia. I know Patricia. Gracias. I know Patricia when her and her son used to run this Chile Linda. Yeah. So I've been coming here for a long time, but with you guys, there's a page called Pensacola Foodies. Yeah, Pensacola Foodies, Foodies. I don't know if you know about it, but people go, we go out places, eat, and they leave reviews of places on there.
Okay.
I just, maybe that's a page that you want to look or join,
Okay.
because you can also, like, once a week you could put your business up online and advertise. Not really advertise, but you do it once a week. And people that come and visit you, believe it or not,
Patricia, she knows.
she knows about the page. Yeah. Okay.
She do all social media.
Oh, she does it for you guys.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool. I didn't know if you... Okay. What's up, buddy?
How are you?
All right, how are you?
Good.
You been doing okay?
Yeah. What
Where's-
are you doing?
Working. Trying to keep going.
Where you working?
In my truck.
You put there?
That's my truck.
And what you saw?
Hamburguesas, quesadillas, wraps, Phillies.
But you asked for somebody to put there?
Huh?
You asked to Patricia for put there?
No. I come here to buy food.
I think so you're selling here.
No.
Ah.
I come here. I bought some tacos and I bought some pupusas.
Very good.
You know I always support.
Yeah. She know very good. She very good pupusas.
I know. My uncle's from El Salvador.
Oh, really?
So I know pupusas.
Yeah, no, she cooked
I
very,
love 'em.
very good.
I love them. No, I've been wanting...
Where you're working? Bueno, it's okay.
No, I'm on a video. You know that page called Pensacola Foodies?
Yeah? Oh, yeah.
I'm on that page right now live.
Okay, good.
We got 35 people in here watching.
Wow.
I can't see the comments, but my friend sent me a text message and said there's all kinds of good comments coming through.
Great.
And I wanted to get on the local page and show that I'm a local food truck and I come and support local food trucks.
Great.
And we all stay supporting each other.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, some people know I've been coming here for ever since you guys were chilling.
But where you put in the location? So,
Sometimes I go downtown.
okay.
They go to the sheriff's office and then a call center.
Oh, yeah, different place.
Different places, but mainly I've been downtown for the last 2 weeks.
Okay.
Over on Government Street.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's say, where is the close to the Navy Federal?
No, Navy Federal is out there.
Yes, close to the Beulah?
No, downtown.
No, I told you, but I think so. That's one place very good because it's a lot deeper.
Oh, yeah, but Navy Federal is closed down right now.
Oh, my.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Hey, tell Patricia I said hi. All right, thank you. All right, now I'm going to show you guys, if you don't know, sorry about that. I've been coming to this truck ever since it was a truck called Chile Linda. Miss Patricia, her son used to cook it. So, okay, so now guys, sorry about the delay. I've been supporting these guys for a long time. Okay, so this is what they call pupusas. They come in El Salvadorian bread. Okay? Great. They're freaking awesome. And freaking hot! Anyways. Come. Fire sauce. Fire sauce. Then you get a little bit of their secret stuff. What you do, for the ones that don't know, let me show you how you do this. Great job. They got utensils all wrapped up. I really don't have a lot of utensils on my truck because everything is that. So what you do is you take the mix. Oh my God, I wish I could put here. Let me see if I can put you guys down so you can get down on my level. Here we go. All right. So this is the pupusa that's very freaking hot. Gosh, dang it, I can't even touch it. Okay, so what you do is you get your pupusa. You get your mix like this. Ow, that son of a... Gosh, dang it. Well, you can't never say you won't get hot food if you come here. So what you do is you put your mixture in the pupusa like that, okay? Then, Like I said, I always like to do the sauce on my second bite so I can actually get all the natural good cooked flavors out of the food before I add the sauce. So, I think it's still smoking hot. So, got it good. Go ahead, just give me a bowl of that. See that? Just go ahead and give me a bowl of that. We're good. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Okay. Well, let's see if it's cooled down a little bit. And here's what you do. Oh my God. Man, that mother. So hot. Oh. My favorite El Salvadorian food is a pupusa. Their bread, the pocket thingy that they cook, very light, very airy, really great. Got the frijoles. Look at that hang on the cheese. Okay? And it's still smoking hot. So, now we'll go ahead and add a little bit of sauce to it. Like I said, I always like to take my first bites. I always like to take my first bite and get all the flavor of the food without the sauce. Then we'll come back. Hold on. Hold. Freaking amazing. Great. Really good. The frijoles, which is beans, really cooked. No hardness in the beans, not too soft, and their slaw mixture on point. Got a nice little spice, not spice, but it got like a little spice tang, I guess you could say. Very good, guys. Oh my God. Great food, great price, great local trucks. I never complain about time that it takes to cook food. Never. Because I'm a cook. And I know good food is fresh cooked. And this is fresh. Really great job, pupusas. Really great. So, without further ado, I'm going to go home. And I'm going to enjoy the rest of my food. This is not a promotion for my page. This is not a promotion for me. People have been... See, I go out, I go support places more than people really know about, even before the foodie page. Even before the foodie page, I've been going out and I support all kinds of places. I've just never done it. So, last week, I went and supported Taco Mexicanos. We got 20 tacos. Yeah, it was the $1 taco day, but I still went and supported them. And then I matched the tip. And then I challenged another business, any other local food business, to go out and do the same thing. Well, it's been 1 week, and no other business has done it. And that's okay. I understand. we understand. I'm a business, and people have been very generous to me as far as tips. You know, like today was a wash. The rain. It killed me. Flooded out my propane regulator. Got it taken care of. But today somebody blessed me with a generous tip, so I said, I got to pay it forward. I haven't been over there in a long time, just because I haven't been financially strapped, because, you know, I'm spending $5,000 on oral surgery next month, and I'm $4,000 short. I'm not complaining about it. I got to have oral surgery, but that's not the point here. The point is that I'm a local food trucker. I support a lot of places. A lot of places where I've never mentioned. But I wanted to get these guys out here. I wanted to do a live review. Nobody does live reviews, okay, guys? Tacos El Migo and Pupusa Eli's are on freaking point. You guys need to come out. You don't need to. I suggest that you fly over here and not drive, because I honestly think that those were some really great tacos. I got the pork and the steak, and I got a pupusas, the traditionals. Both of them on point. Service on point. Customer service on point. Food on point. Clean area on point. Clean eating establishment on point. Was the food hot, ready, fresh to eat? On point. 5 out of 5 on both sides. Pupusa Eli and Tacos El Migo at 6201 Tippin Avenue. On Sundays, they have menudo. I can't wait for Sunday. My ass is coming to get some menudo. So, I'm actually going to take my food, and I'm going to go home, and I am going to eat my dinner. So I wanted to show you guys, and not just that I support, I just wanted to show you guys that this is where we came for lunch. Pupusa Eli and Tacos El Migo. So, you guys come on down, support local, keep it local, great food. Maybe once everything calms down and everything, I know I'm not as big as they are. I don't have the popularity and stuff yet, and that's okay, because I wish them nothing but the best of luck. I've known Patricia for a few years now and everything, so I recommend this place, you guys. Pupusa Eli and Tacos El Migos. Y'all get down here and get you some tacos, get you some pupusas, and until then, this is James. I wish y'all I wish everybody peace and happiness, and I hope y'all have a great day. No matter where your taste buds take you, let it take you somewhere that you enjoy, and I hope you do a video too. Don't be scared.